In this video, we're going to talk about the community library. Let me show you where you can find that. If you go to Frameworks and you click on Browse Community Frameworks, you'll see all of the frameworks that were designed and created by community members. Awesome. Now that we have the community frameworks pulled up, you can see all of the cool community frameworks that have been created by members. So let me go ahead and add some in here, like number of ways to do something, perfect blog 8, an about us paragraph for your website. And let me go ahead and search for one too. Like this guitar review. Awesome. Once you've added community frameworks to your library, you can find them by going to the drop-down menu here. Under Community Library, all of the ones that you've added will be here. I'm going to go ahead and choose Guitars and Gear, and we're going to open up Guitar Review. You'll notice that this framework has multiple text inputs, and it's a little bit more complex, and because of that, it may only return up to one output each time, whereas something like our A to Add framework would output up to 5 generations, right? So let me go ahead and show you the examples, and then let's go ahead and delete those out and try our own. We'll leave the settings at 30 because that's what the author originally chose, and we'll click Write for Me. And as you can see, we got one output generation, and that's completely okay. It looks great, and we can add that to our canvas. Another thing that I'd like to mention is that you can actually edit the categories and names of the frameworks that you add from the community library. Let me show you how. All you do is click on this edit icon, and if you want this to be guitars instead of Guitars and Gear, you can do that and save it. And then you can change the name and the category to whatever you like, and then click Save. And if you would like to delete a framework from your Community Frameworks library, you can also do that. All you have to do is pull up your community frameworks, and the ones that you have added will be on top, and you can delete the ones that you no longer use.